Did you know that over 40 million Americans have tried online dating? It's crazy how this digital world has become a hotspot for finding love. But let me be real with you, it's not all rainbows and butterflies. Navigating online dating can be a bit tricky, especially when you're searching for something meaningful. It seems like everyone's swiping left and right, looking for a fun night or just killing time out of boredom. You know how it goes, right? When you mention feeling a little lonely or wanting a deeper connection, everyone jumps in with the classic, why not try a dating app suggestion? It's like they think finding happiness is as simple as swiping left and right. And you think, my happiness isn't defined by a never-ending stream of dates. I'm on a journey to discover something meaningful. That's exactly why we've put together a video just for you, one that spills the secrets to online dating success. Because your happiness deserves more than just a quick swipe. But before we dive in, download our free guidebook from the link in the description box. It's packed with valuable insights to unlock your potential and level up your life. Don't miss out, my dear. Now, back to our topic. When it comes to online dating, choosing the right platform is crucial. Not all dating platforms are the same. You have to understand what each platform offers before creating a profile. Some platforms cater to specific demographics, such as age groups, religious affiliations, or cultural backgrounds. Others may focus on particular interests, lifestyles, or relationship preferences. Look for reviews, testimonials, and success stories from people who have found meaningful relationships through that particular platform. Positive feedback and success stories indicate that the platform has a history of connecting individuals who are seeking more than just a one-night stand. Next is be authentic. One of the most important things you can do is to be yourself. Be genuine in your profile. Showcase your true interests. You can attract like-minded individuals who are really interested in getting to know you. Remember, the goal is to find someone who appreciates and connects with the real you, not a version of yourself that you think others might prefer. Set the tone for open and honest communication. When you're true to yourself, you encourage others to be the same. It plays a vital role in finding compatible matches. Also, if you're not presenting a false image of yourself, you may avoid disappointment. You have to engage only in meaningful conversations. Move beyond the generic, hi. Take the time to read someone's profile and ask thoughtful questions. These conversations lay the foundation for a deeper connection. While it's tempting to engage in multiple conversations simultaneously, focusing on quality over quantity is high priority. It builds rapport with your potential match. Of course, starting a conversation on an online dating platform can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. Here's an example of how you can start a meaningful chat without coming across as creepy. Instead of a generic opening line like, hi, or how are you, try something more personalized and thoughtful. For instance, hey, George, or Sylvia, for example. I noticed your passion for hiking. Do you have any favorite hiking spots or memorable experiences to share? By asking specific questions and showing you've read their profile, you're more likely to engage in a conversation that is not just a waste of time. You could say, hi, I saw you're into photography. As a beginner, I'd love any tips you have, and I'd enjoy seeing some of your favorite shots. This demonstrates your curiosity and creates an opportunity for deeper connection. Give it a try and see the difference it makes. While online messaging is convenient, it's important not to solely rely on it. Take the initiative to transition to phone calls or video chats early on in your online dating journey. Hearing someone's voice or seeing their expressions adds a layer that text alone can't capture. It allows you to pick up on nuances, sense their emotions. For example, you could say, I've really enjoyed our conversations so far. It would be great to hear your voice. Would you be open to a quick phone call sometime? Hearing someone's voice or seeing their face, these are powerful tools in the world of virtual connections. Because it's important to trust your gut and listen to those inner feelings that guide you. If something doesn't feel right, don't ignore it or try to rationalize it away. You may encounter persons who don't genuinely align with what you're seeking or who may not have the best intentions. It's essential not to settle for less than you deserve or compromise your boundaries. Trust your instincts and take the necessary steps to protect yourself and your well-being. And that, my dear, is the invaluable lesson that online dating teaches us. It's not just finding the perfect match. It's about self-discovery, personal growth, the importance of self-discovery and self-worth. It's not just about finding someone else, but also about discovering who we are and what truly matters to us. Online dating can teach us to be patient, resilient, and to never settle for anything less than we deserve. But hey, we're just getting started. Investing a few more minutes with us could be the best decision you could make for your love life. These tips are tried, tested, and proven to help you. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Hit that subscribe button and be the first to watch 5 essential dating tips for finding your perfect match.